In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Patreon to your YouTube channel. This is a simple update, but it can make a big difference if you want to guide viewers from your YouTube channel to your Patreon page and give them an easy way to support your work. The Patreon link appears in the links section of your channel, so it's important to set it up clearly and correctly. To begin, open YouTube Studio. Once you're inside, look over to the left-hand menu and select Customization. This is the area where you manage different parts of your channel's appearance and profile details, including the links that show up publicly on your channel page. After that, scroll down until you find the links section. This is where you can add external destinations you want your audience to visit. If you already have other links here, like a website or social media pages, just keep scrolling until you see the right spot to add another one. Next, click Add Link. This will create a new link entry with fields you can fill out. You'll usually see one field for the title and another for the web address. Take a moment here to make sure you're editing the correct row, especially if you already have several links listed. In the title field, type Patreon. Keeping the title simple and recognizable is helpful because viewers will immediately understand where the link goes. Clear labeling also helps your channel look more polished and organized. Then paste your public Patreon page URL into the URL field. Make sure you're using the public link to your Patreon page, not a private or internal page address. This is important because your viewers need to be able to open it without any issues. Before moving on, it's a good idea to quickly double check the link for any typing mistakes, missing characters, or extra spaces. Once everything looks correct, go to the top right corner and click Publish. This saves your changes and makes the Patreon link live on your YouTube channel. If you skip this part, the link won't appear publicly, so don't forget to publish before leaving the page. And that's it. Your Patreon link is now connected to your YouTube channel. After publishing, you may want to visit your channel page and confirm that the link displays properly and opens the correct Patreon page. That quick final check can help you catch any small errors right away. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.